We can use the pattern while punching to check the position. Clip the pattern together with the leather piece and punching it through. In this technique, you will be sure that the level of the holes, the position, and number of the holes will be exactly same as pattern. For the part that will be punched separately, but stitched together like gusset, the holes number and the position must be same as pattern, so you have to check carefully. Start punching from straight line of sides. Then punch the straight line of the bottom. Bottom middle point is really important, as it will be stitched together with side gusset, so the holes position is really need to be aligned and matched. Check again for total holes number of the straight line. For corners, the holes must be counted in between marks. Like this case, 10 holes must be fitted here. To go for corners, 2 forks will be used for punching, but to make sure all holes will be fitted, you can use 10 forks to check the holes amount in the area first, then start punching with 2 forks. As you can see, we punched from sides to meet in the middle to ensure that you will get the correct amount. And just in case, if we need to adjust, we can do it around the middle of corner.